All right, Stephen. So you've been working with F16 Media for a long time now for your home service business. I want you to give an honest feedback about everything.
For the first time in business, we've been getting pretty much lead flow is for the first time not a problem. It seems as such we can get unlimited leads in the areas that we want, at the price that we want, and then they're exact customers we want. They're trusting, they're ready to buy before we get there. It's really crazy. And F16 Media is always responsive, always there to fix the issue, and they always take care of it. So we're doing really good. We're happy with what we have. Is that good? How do you feel about that?
Okay, and what would you recommend to others who are still thinking to collab with us for their business?
I think that they should stop being so goddamn indecisive and purchase the monthly package. I think they should, I would recommend F16 Media for sure. If you own a service business, absolutely.
All right, man. I appreciate it.